Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel again, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to make a horror movie poster on Photoshop. If you're just coming across my channel for the first time, you're welcome, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there and also turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop another wonderful tutorial video. Without any further delay, let's dive into the video. So create a new document. The size is 4000 by 5000. I'm gonna zoom in. Just trying to place the top well. So it's for the then I'll bring in, I want to do the background first, then I'll bring in first image, resize it, then after I'll go to image, then adjustment, then hue and saturation, and I'll set the hue to -37. Just like that. Then we'll go to filter, then blur, then Gaussian blur, set it to 52.4. So bring in this second image. I'm going to resize it just like that. Just shift it up a bit. Then we'll add the layer mask, select our brush tool, then we'll pick it from the top. What shall I do it? Then we blend all the edges away first on top, then we'll be using our brush to drag it down like that. Just a bit. Then we change the layer mode to add light. And so bring in this image, then we'll lift it up, we'll resize it. Then we'll centralize it. Centralize here. Then we'll add the layer marks to it. Then use our brush tool to treat the edges, lay away the edges to blend with the picture underneath. Then we can then we'll bring in this. I want to add like a glow effect at the back, so is this picture we'll use, this image we'll use. Then we'll add layer marks, then we'll use our brush tool to blend it, and then we'll change layer mode to color judge, just like that. Then we'll go to filter, then blur, then Gaussian blur, then we'll set it to 31.8. Just drag it down. Still adjust it a bit using our brush tool. There's the size of the brush tool. Yes. Then it's time to bring in the image. Our image. Bring in the first one. I'm going to resize it. Just like that. Then we'll centralize it. Yeah. Then we'll bring in the other two one by one. Bring in this one to the right hand side. Reduce it, size a bit, shift it up. Yeah. Then we'll add layer marks, then we blend it. Blend it underneath. Yeah. Yeah. So what layer marks today? The first image. We want to make them even. Add layer marks. First, or let's still bring in the other image into Photoshop. We need to place it up above like this. Yeah. So still shift it up. Then we add layer marks to it too. Then we use our brush tool to paint it, to clear the edges away. Then move to the main image to do the same thing. Yes, just like how I'm doing it now. Yeah. So select the three images, and we place them at the center. Yeah. Then we'll work on the skin tone of this girl at the right. Then we'll go to image, then shadow and highlight. Set the shadow to 0, then the highlight to -236. Yeah. So bring in this text effect that I've already done already. Yes. Just naming it return of Wednesday. So that's what that's the title of the movie poster. So centralize it. Yes. Click on it, then we'll go to images, then adjustment, then hue and saturation. Then we'll set it to -130. Then we'll add some contrast to it. 56. Set the contrast to 56. Yeah. Then we'll add this little write-up. We'll add this write-up image to it underneath. Just like that. Let's adjust it. Yeah. Then we'll change the layer mode to screen. Centralize it. Yes. Then we'll write return off. If you are wondering which version of Photoshop I'm using Photoshop 2019, and also the resource file I used throughout this tutorial video will be available in the description. Return going to increase the size. Change the font. Yeah, then we'll duplicate it to write off. So it will be return of Wednesday. Yeah. So if you want to write maybe write the company that produced the movie. So I'm just going to show you how it's done. So write any design production, then we'll give it some spacing in between the text. Then we'll just reduce the size just like that. Then we'll centralize it. It's still looking too big, then we'll reduce it again. Yeah, then we'll centralize again. Yeah, and so that's it on how to design an horror movie poster using Photoshop. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop another tutorial like this. See you next time, and thank you.